Question: what is the most expensive food item? Caviar is considered the most exquisite delicacy in the world. Primarily, it's the caviar of sturgeon fish. Various types are supplied to the market. The most expensive is beluga caviar with large grayish grains. Question: what is the most popular beverage? Coca-Cola is the most popular beverage in the world among all produced by the food industry. It can be bought in 155 countries, including the poorest regions of the world, where it is considered a symbol of progress and prosperity. 240 million bottles, plastic bottles, and cans of Coca-Cola are consumed daily. This beverage was first made in the USA in 1886. At that time, it still contained the narcotic cocaine, to which it owed the beginning of its popularity. Today, Coca-Cola contains caffeine. Question: what is the most expensive spice? Saffron is obtained from the stigmas of saffron flowers, crocus. To obtain 1 kilogram of saffron, it is necessary to process 100,000 flowers. Previously, saffron was widely used in European cuisine. It was used in the preparation of fish dishes and, in very small quantities, for baking. Today, the most expensive spice in the world is primarily used in the East. Question: where were the oldest culinary recipes found? Archaeologists found Babylonian clay tablets with recipes for luxurious dishes, probably invented for the pharaoh's table. This collection of recipes seems to be the oldest of the surviving cookbooks. Judging by its content, not much has changed in Eastern festive dishes over the past 2,500 years. Wealthy people then mainly ate roast lamb, cooked with plenty of garlic and other spicy seasonings. Question: what was the height of the tallest wedding cake? The tallest cake in the history of the pastry arts reached 5 meters. It required, among other things, almost 1,000 eggs. Interestingly, this gigantic cake was baked not for a wedding but as an exhibition piece, which, however, was then eagerly eaten by guests at an international meeting of pastry chefs in Hamburg.